Welcome back. Now you can use Sales Navigator as a more direct way of commenting and interacting with individuals that you know are going to be leads for you if you're looking to LinkedIn to build your sales process. If that's the case, you're going to want to use the Sales Navigator. The Sales Navigator, from its home page, builds a feed based on those individuals that they have determined to be leads for you based on the parameters that you set up at the very beginning. You can also search your feed for your chosen keyword. Now, typically when you do that, you're going to see a less targeted search. So what Sales Navigator does is allows you to interact with the individuals that have been pre-chosen in categories that you want to sort LinkedIn for. You can also use LinkedIn in order to view your network. And you can then filter your network based on the activity that you want to find them for. So for example, if you want to find individuals within a certain range, perhaps, for example, in this case, we might use Florida. We can find individuals that have used Florida in their profile. If we want individuals within our network at a certain seniority level, we can then do that before we begin interacting with them. Now, these are all first-level contacts. However, Sales Navigator makes it easier for us to be able to work with these individuals and save time while doing it. So Sales Navigator allows us direct and more targeted searches so that we can begin commenting and interacting with the individuals that we want inside of our network. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.